Law enforcement officials in Steuben County expressed concerns about another radio system failure. A crash injures Garrett teen, and a B-17 bomber is coming to a nearby airport. We'll have details. I'm Woody Zimmerman. These stories and more next on Hoosier Ohio News Channel.
Froggy 106.7 is all about variety, from pop to rock and even a little country. Mix it all up in a way to help you get through your workday. You've got the most variety on your radio. Froggy 106.7.
Hoosier Ohio News Channel, leading you into the future of how you get your news. Local, dependable, on demand. And now, the latest from Hoosier Ohio News Channel.
Law enforcement officials in Steuben County are expressing concerns over the county's new radio system. A failure on Tuesday night forced users on that system to revert back to the old system so that they could coordinate their efforts while responding to an incident in which a 20-year-old Angola man was attacked by 4 armed individuals. Sheriff Tim Troyer said that in a published report that the system crashed while his deputies searched for the armed suspects. Troyer has since sent a statement of no confidence to Harris Radio Corporation and says he just wants the system fixed. County officials are optimistic that the failed system can be repaired and brought online. In the meantime, the old system will remain in use. A crash left a Garrett teen injured on Thursday evening. It happened just before 6:30 last night when 17-year-old John Braden was traveling on County Road 7 just south of State Road 8. Braden lost control of his vehicle and slammed into a tree. The impact of the crash pushed the right side of the vehicle into the center council area. The driver was taken to a local hospital to be treated for minor cuts to his arm and head. The car was totaled. Police say excessive speed was a factor in the crash. A B-17 bomber will soon make an appearance at the Kendallville Airport. The B-25 bomber that was there last year, the Duesenberg Drags, was a huge hit, and the B-17 is expected to bring in big crowds as well to the Indiana Aviation and Autovation Festival scheduled for September 2nd and September 3rd. The vintage bomber belongs to the Yankee Museum based in Belleville, Michigan, and was used in the filming of the movie Tora, Tora, Tora back in 1969. And if you have an extra $425 to part with, you can take a 30-minute ride on the B-17. For more information, call 349-0350. And that's the news for now. If you see news happening, you can email us at HoosierOhioNews@gmail.com. I'm Woody Zimmerman. Have a wonderful weekend.